Huaguo Electronics Enterprise Group was established in 1983 and mainly serves the CNC lathe firms in sheet metal processing. In order to increase production capability and expand customer service, in 1991, we additionally purchased CNC sheet metal for use on machinery production operations and comprehensively inducted into CAD/CAM networks, which formed product standardization, e-stock, and sales tracking. In 1997, together with Industrial Technology Research Institute, we jointly developed sheet metal components for use on aviation products, carried out overall quality control, and obtained an ISO 9002 quality certification. In 1998, we established a subsidiary company named Taiwan Filin Industrial Company Limited, or TFI, which specialized in R&D, production, and sheet metal components manufacturing for use in aviation products. In 2003, we became Taiwan's only company to obtain a letter of design approval from the FAA, which was a new milestone for our enterprise group. Full process network digital barcode management and an inducted ERP management system have substantially increased management efficiency and production capability. In view of strong requirements for quality and short delivery dates on optoelectronics as well as semiconductor equipment, Huaguo Group promotes the Toyota Lean Production Management Model, thoroughly emphasizing the elimination of waste through total production in pursuit of process rationality, while continually evolving our manufacturing processes to increase quality, lower costs, and make advances in science and technology. Under our President's leadership, all employees at Huaguo insist upon three maxims: certified quality, exact delivery date, and rapid service, providing various walks of life with high-quality sheet metal engineering services. In 2007, Huaguo will enter and be stationed in the Taichung Precision Machinery Science and Technology Innovation Garden area. In the future, we'll strive unceasingly to provide global customers with satisfactory quality products as well as immediate high-quality services.